and understand. Question 5a, read. Give the paper to Justus. Read the question.
The problems that Nehemiah encountered in the rebuilding wall of Jerusalem. The officials of the court did not cooperate with him. He was ridiculed by Sanballat and Tobiah. He received threats of violence from the enemies. A trap was laid to derail his mission of rebuilding the wall. There was a plot to kill him, insecurity from the enemies, false prophets tried to discourage him, opposition from the Jewish nobles, false accusations from his enemies.
Yes. So now we mention each one problem. Tell us one problem.
A plot was laid.
He received opposition from the Jewish.
Nobles.
He was ridiculed by Sanballat.
Yes.
His own.
Yes. So make sure when you're reading, you're supposed to do a summary so that you remember the whole sentence, right? If you say just ridiculed by Sanballat or death threats, plot to kill him, you're getting the point. You're remembering all of them. Because I discovered that you are straining a lot. First, there was false accusation, there was insecurity, and then lack of cooperation from the officials of what? Tekoa. If you just say lack of cooperation, you'll remember what? The officials of what? Tekoa.